everyone. In this video you will get to know about articles. Well, article means a piece of writing such as story or a report. But in English language we have another meaning of article that is a part of speech also. And in this we will talk about three words, and these words are, as you could see on the screen also, a, and the. So let's start it. An article is actually an adjective only. And what is adjective? Adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Or you can simply say that adjectives, they modify a noun. They just describe it, that how is a noun. So a, an, and the are called articles. Further, we categorize these into two parts. A and an are called indefinite articles, and the is called definite article. So let's discuss first what is the meaning of definite. Definite means fixed and unlikely to change, certain or particular, whereas indefinite means not fixed or clear, something that is not particular. So first we must talk about the indefinite articles, in which we have a and an. So let's understand when to use a and what is the meaning of a or an. So students, always keep this in your mind that a means one and an also means one. Now the very important question, when should we use a or an? Because both have same meaning. So we have this very simple trick here. You have to remember that there are total 26 letters, which are also called alphabet in English. So out of these 26, 5 are vowels, and those are A, E, I, O, and U. And 21 are consonants, which are B, D, F, G, H, I, etc. So now you have to remember that whenever you would find a word which is a noun, if it starts with a vowel sound, remember I didn't say the letter, I said the sound. If it starts with a vowel sound, so you would use an with that. And if it would start with a consonant sound, which is a sound B, D, F, etc., so you would use a with it. Let's try to understand it with examples. So a is used before the beginning with a consonant sound. Examples: a boy, a bird. So you can say this boy, boy, b, it starts with b sound. Next, before a singular noun beginning with again a consonant sound, like a book, a school, a dog. Then even before vowel letters which don't have vowel sound. This is very important. As I've already told you, we have to follow the sound, not the letter. As we can see here, we use a European, European, though the first letter of European is E, but the sound is of Y because it pronounced European. And the next example, a unit. So again the sound is of Y. And the same way we have one more example, a union. Now we will have here more examples. So as it is already clear that A we use before a consonant sound like a girl, g, a clock, k sound, a lamp, l sound. So I hope this one is clear. Now we have few more examples to make this concept clear to you. As we have examples here, a university, though university first letter is a vowel, but the sound is of consonant. So we will not use an here, we will use a. And the next again we have a uniform, a 1 rupee note. Now we would see where to use an before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U. So we'll read the examples now. An idiot, E, E sound. An apple, A sound. The next is before a word beginning with H but not the sound is same. So here H is silent. So when we read HONOUR, it's not honor, it's honor. So it would be an honor, an hour, an honest man. So H is silent here, and that is why we will use an here. We have few more examples. An orange, an umbrella, an eye, and these all words they start with a vowel sound. That is why we are using an here. Now we will discuss the definite article, which is the. As we started the video, I made this thing very clear that definite means fixed. We use the with special things, with certain things. So the very first rule is before unique objects. Unique means something that is different from others. So we would always use the sun, the sky, the moon because these are unique objects. Before the names of mountains, rivers, oceans, deserts, etc. So examples would be the Ganges, the Sahara, the Pacific. The next, before the names of books, examples, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran, etc. Before the superlative degree of adjective. Adjective is a word that describes a noun. It has 3 degrees: positive, superlative, comparative. We use the always with the superlative degree. So we would always say the best, the tallest, the most beautiful girl, the most intelligent person. The next rule is before musical instruments. So whenever we have to use one musical instrument, we would say the flute, the violin, the guitar. The next rule is before an adjective that denotes a whole class. I'll simplify it. Whenever a singular noun would represent its whole class or community, we will use the with it. Example, the old, the rich, the poor. So that means here we are not talking about a particular person, but one person is representing its whole class. And we use the when we know that that thing is one of a particular kind. So we would say the sky, the world, the North Pole, etc. I hope these rules are clear to you now. But with these rules, you must go through the books also. So, thank you very much.